Welcome back to ORESTO'S garage. This week the VL gets its paint job. That's right, she's finally getting painted in original colour ice blue, what it came out in. Long time coming. It's been almost a year since I got the car. If you remember back or want to go back to watch any of the videos when I first got it, how rusty this car was. Like, it's one of the worst I've had, but you know, I like a challenge. Succeeded. What else? Yeah, so that gets me more time to work on the ZJ Fairlane while I'm waiting on this to cure. I'm going to wait a couple of weeks before I even touch it after that. What else? Go check out Barefoot ORESTO'S. He's doing an XY Falcon. Pretty in-depth detail what he's doing. Good what he does. I know a lot of you guys on my channel like the Holden, but you know, you got to spice things up. Yeah, go check him out, Barefoot ORESTO'S, top bloke. Yeah, all right, less wobbling, and let's get painting. Alrighty, so I got my first coat down. I started by about 6 this morning. It's what now? I guess nearly 8 o'clock. Yeah, let's show you. I'm going to put this on a tripod in a minute. I just got the first coat down. Trying to see how everything was taking, and from there onwards. So let's show you. So number one, first coat. Got the undersides done on most parts. I'm doing it a little bit backwards, but I've got the main stuff down, what I wanted to get down. Now I'll put the guards on, the bonnet and boot lid, and I'm just going to paint away then. So yeah, it's not my normal way of painting anything, but you know, just try not to touch anything. Got no gloves on at the moment, so all the door jambs are done. Painting this black, and the same with the back of the car, be black around the tail light, so there's nothing to see around there at the moment. Yeah. Alright, well, I might just put yours up on a tripod and I might just start painting away. Alrighty, so we've all got the base coat down now.
looking pretty good. Bit of a windy day, keeps blowing this open. It's frustrating. So got the clear mixed up. Sorry, I got my mask on. She's very fumy in here. So yeah, I got the clear. That's 2-to-1. So the base was 1-to-1. Alright, I'll get back to you when I get the first coat of clear down.
Right, first coat's on of clear. It's just a light coat. It's doing pretty well. Unfortunately, the wind has picked up, so a fair bit of shit got blown into the shed. Well, obviously, a little door passage opened up. It's still very fumy in here. It's awful, actually. I can't run the inlet over there because it's just pumping through so much rubbish. Alright, well, sorry guys, I was wandering around on my own there. Yeah, I found one little flaw. I was so annoyed. Got a chip and I didn't even know about it. But that boot lid's not painted yet, so I might be able to sand that out. But one coat and I can already see myself in it. So I'd like to see what it's going to turn out with some more coats. Alright, stay tuned and I'll get to you when I do the second coat. Alrighty, so that's the second coat. So that's a little bit heavier. Not too much heavy, but just slightly. So I'm thinking one more coat and that's it, because this stuff's pretty thick. Like really heavy to spray. I've never used it before, so it takes a long time to go off, and it's probably what, 30-31 degrees, probably a bit hotter in this little room here. So a little bit of crap blew in from the bloody wind. Damaged nose cone we straightened out, so she's very nice and straight. That very straight boot lid. Alright guys, that will do it for this episode. I'm going to put another one out in a couple of days. I won't know what it turns out like until, you know, a couple of days time. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed. You're all legends, and if you haven't already considered subscribing, please subscribe to the channel. Helps me, especially leave a like and comment, guys. Yeah, and don't forget, check out Barefoot Restos. Alright guys, that will do it. I'm out of here. I'm buggered. See ya.